Afternoon all afternoon. I'm out with these two awesome ladies right here, our Shan Shan and our Lila. You're stupid, that's what she said, didn't you? They're all stupid, aren't they? Tell them, get them told. Pops, that guy called Pops, he's really stupid apparently. Have an awesome sunny Sunday. We're having a rainy Sunday, but it's still awesome. I've still got the sunshine in my heart.
The sun isn't out today.
No sunshine today. We have to make our own sunshine inside, don't we?
I'm sorry, it's very rainy.
Don't be sorry, I love the rain. Oh, I do, I love a bit of rain.
But the rain will break my iPad more.
She hates the rain because it'll break her iPad more, of course.
And it's got a huge crack.
And it's already got to use crack too. Shocking stuff. I'm just sat here, people. I'm sat here having a debate with this little lady.
That's how the video goes.
Right.
Pops is stupid, and it's not pretty, and the prettiest. So you should go in the bin, and you are not a man, you are a boy, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye!
Bye, see ya. Did you hear all that, people? She thinks that I'm not pretty. I'm pretty funny, but I'm not pretty, and she's the prettiest.
You're not funny either!
Alright, now I'm not even funny neither.
And your Snapchat is stupid!
My Snapchats are stupid, are they? It's because they've all got you in them, so they must be really stupid then, eh?
No, they're not that stupid though.
Alright, they're not that stupid because you're in them, right? Who's the prettiest?
Me?
And then am I the second prettiest?
No, you're the third. You're the 100 prettiest.
What, so I'm not even near the top of the list? I'm right at the bottom of the list?
Yes.
So am I pretty ugly then? Am I the ugliest?
Yeah, you're the
So I get to be the best at being the ugliest? But I'm still the funniest though, yeah?
Yeah, you're so funny.
That's alright then, so long as I'm the funniest. As long as people can say, see that ugly guy there, that funny ugly guy, he's so funny. So people say, what's your name? You can just stick it to my wall. That's what she says. You say, what's your name? She goes, la la. Bella, what are you doing? She's been drawing a picture.
Yeah. And she's ruined this.
She's ruined it. She's just ruined it.
Yeah.
Typical. And now she's trying to ruin this.
Now what is she trying to do?
I can't reach it, it's too far away.
It's too far away.
I can't even reach that. And Shannon's got a pregnant belly. John's got a broke back, it's stuck there.
Stuck. Introducing the poser, Lila. Posing. Give us your best pose.